Okay, so let's continue with the next topic of HTML. In the previous session, we have seen type of list in HTML. That was called an order list, as well as definition list. In this, we are going to understand about the image tag and hyperlink. How to link the pages as well as how to display the image. What are the properties of images available, and hyperlink while making. How many ways we have, what are the properties we have, those we'll understand. So first, right here about the image tag. How to link the image not how to link, how to display image tag. How to display image in HTML. We will use a tag called img. Here there we have a property called src. Under the src we have the path of source of the photo, and then we have to give a property called height. What should be the height of the photo? Width. What should be the width of the photo? And one more property called alt. It's called alternate. In case image is not there, then what will display? Suppose image you are calling, in case image is not exist, correct? Then what will display to the user? So suppose I'm going here, I'm keeping a file called 1.jpg. Then I'll give the height for this photo, 300 pixel. Width for this photo, 300 pixel. And I will write alt here, call. Sorry, friend. Image not available. Image not available. So in case if 1.jpg is not exist in current folder, it will display, sorry friend, image is not available. User will come to know, okay, image is not there in current folder. So we'll create a file, in that we'll see this image examples. So first in my current folder, I will keep some photos here. This is the best practice to keep the photo in current folder and then call it. So I will go here. In my system, I'll see in some different drives, I may have some photos. I will copy those 4 photos. I have some photos similar way. You can copy some photo from your PC from different drive and keep under the HTML folder here. HTML folder. So I kept here my image, and we can see the photos all are kept one place, that is under the image folder. I have 4 photos, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are JPG. Right, now I should create a file here. Image.html. Image.html. Shift +1 enter. Image will. File is created. I'll write here a title called image in HTML. So we will go here and we'll write a heading as well. H1. My gallery. And this H1 will come by default in left. We have a property called align. Through that we can print this image in the center. Image will come in the middle. Now I will try to put a paragraph as we have seen in the previous example. So we should keep using the previous, whichever the tags we have gone through, it will be helpful. You can keep remembering, else you will forget it. So I added the p tag, one p tag, one more p tag, one more p, not one more p tag. In one p tag only, I added the same text data. multiple lines, 4-5 lines ahead. Now I will try to use here img tag, and I will use a property called src. It's called a source of the image. I'll keep that one.jpg. Photo I have kept in current folder. That path I given here. And then I will write here height of the photo, maybe 300 pixel, and then width of the photo. I will not give in pixel. We can give in pixel also, but I try to give here in percentage. In percentage. Or let's give first in pixel itself, 250. Then use a property called alt, alternate. Image not available. Image not available. One image is added. I will try to run and see whether this image is showing in my current page or not. So I will go through again live server, run from here. Let us see, one image is coming here, right? Image is printing here. Now dimension of the image is under our control. How big we want to display, we have to decide. We have to give height and width for that. It will fit accordingly. So I will increase the width a little, 350. We can see the width will get increase. See here, width is increased little. Mine is running through live server, so automatically it will get a reload if I change the content of the page. You can see width is increased. Next we will go for the percentage. Or first we'll see what is the role of the alt tag. Alt we have written here. Alt property. What is the role of the alt property? Assume. I'll change the image here called 11.jpg. You can see in my folder 11.jpg is not exist. If I run my page, I can see here it is saying directly, sorry, image is not available. Can you see this line? It's saying image not available. User will understand, oh, at this place, some image was supposed to come, but due to some technical problem, image is not coming here. User will come to know, okay, image was about to come here, but it's not coming. So it's kind of a guidance to the user. So for that purpose, you can say alt tag is compulsory. We have to write it. It will be good experience to the user. I will try to keep some more photos here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have multiple photos. 4 photos I have. I will change here the photo name. Then we can see this 4th photo will appear here. If you want to cover the full width of this total area, you have to give in percentage so that equally it will get divided in all 4 pieces and it will appear. So I'll increase little width and we'll see whether it's fitting or not. So width I have given 350. I'll give 370, 370, 370, 370. We'll see is it fitting or not. It's fitting. Little more is required here. So maybe middle 2 photo I'll increase the width. 75, 75, 375 and 375. So it's look like this. Still little more is required. 80 we can do, or maybe first and last also we can increase to 75, 75. It's kind of try and see. We can give in percentage also, but we'll study. See now it's okay almost. 4 photos are coming in one line. Okay, so which we have follow? We have follow called width property, height property, as well as alt property. Alt property is helping us to set a alternate text in case image is not found. Then we can use this alternate text to user. Make sure the user should not be confused. So this file is ready. This is all about the image. Sometime you want image as a background, no problem. We can set as a background as a image also. Full page background we can set as a image. We can change the background as a color also. You can see the BG body tag we have. We have a property called BG color, right? BG color pink. Suppose if I run the page, background become fully pink. So one file is ready. Next file, we will work for the hyperlink, how to link the pages. How to link the pages. So we'll go here in this file and we'll discuss next how to link the pages using HTML. How to link pages using HTML. How to link the pages using HTML. So this notes what I'm writing, it will be available under the video, under the link. There will be download notes. So in that there will be link. From there you can download the HTML related video. This one notes, that notes what I'm writing. It will be available with the video in a download link. From there you can download this complete documentation guide. Okay, now coming to the next, we have a tag called a tag. A tag. It has a property ahref. Here we can give the name of any next page where we want to go. Then it has a property called target. Like it will decide the next page will open in the pop-up window, new tab, or where it will open. Target. Next property we have called title. Title property will decide this hyperlink is for what purpose. Next we'll write here some text to click. Text to click. After that, e tag has to close. So e tag is closed. Here we can give next page name. Suppose login.html. Target we can write here. Multiple type we have. For example, call underscore new, or maybe underscore self, underscore blank. We have multiple type. Underscore self I will write. Next title equal to click or login. Correct? And this text become text to click. Why you have given this hyperlink? So here. Next we'll write here the target meaning is what? E is here the tag name, href is the property. In that we are passing the, you can say this one, the next file name. Let me explain here. Details. E is called anchor tag. Anchor tag, it create hyperlink. Link. Href, what is that? It's a property. Property, it set path for next page. Next page, like where your next page, that path you have to mention there. File name you have to mention. Target. You can say it define the location, define that next page should open, define that or we can write little changes. We'll do some changes. It set location as where the next page will open as underscore self. It represent that next page will open in same tab. Like usually when you click on a hyperlink, new tab will open, blank tab will open, pop-up window will open. So that happened through the target property. It set location as where the next page will open as self underscore new. Like sometimes you see the new tab open, we can write here it open next page in new tab. It open next page in the new tab, but condition is only at first click. Underscore blank underscore blank, it open next page in new tab, but on every click, whenever we click on a hyperlink, new tab will open. Okay, so it's open the next page in the new tab on every click, right? Then what is the role of title? Title, we can write it introduce, it hold text data and introduce to search engine like Google search engine. It holds the text data and introduce to search engine that what is the purpose of this hyperlink? That what is purpose of this link? What is the purpose of this link? So this we are going to implement in an example. There we will create two pages, link 1 and link 2. Link 1 will connect to link 2. This spelling was wrong. Details. Link 1 will connect to link 2. Link 2 will connect to link 1. Already we have one image file. Through this image file, we will make a hyperlink for the next page and we'll see how it is going to happen. So first I will create a next file here called details.html. Already image file I have. I will use this one as a first page and the details file I'll use as a different page. And here in the details page, again shift +1, enter. Image details. Will come down. We'll write here about our services. Just basic page I created. In that we are not adding any our services. It is just a paragraph. Since we require 2 pages for hyperlink, so one page already we have made an image and one more page we are creating just to link this both the pages, image and details page. Inside this paragraph, I will add some 3-4 line of text data. It will be just I copied this much and pasted here 3-4 times. And then I will try to display here a big image on the top. img src equal to maybe 1.jpg, and we can give little big height equal to 400 or 500. It should be in double quote, and width equal to maybe 700. I given something like this. Below we have paragraph and top. So we have written one heading tag on the top, one image tag in between, and one paragraph in the last. Here we can write call alt also, no image font, no image font. Now I will run this file. You can see this page will work. Image will appear, big size photo will appear here. See, big size photo is coming. So we have two pages now. One is called image page, another was called details page. So we got two pages, one is the image, another one is details. Now image is the first page. From here, I am going to make a hyperlink to the details page. For example, I'll use here a BR tag here just to break the line, and one more BR tag I'll use here to break the line. Two BR tag I follow, line break will happen 2 times. Next, I'm creating a hyperlink a href equal to next page details.html, and I will write here call read more. Fine, you will find read more hyperlink will come. Here we can use a property called title. We can write here a text called click for more. Something we written here click for more. You will find a hyperlink will be ready. Under a hyperlink, there will be link called read more. Once we click here, it will go to the next page, details.html. We will run this file and we'll understand how it is coming. So page is coming, and then we got a link here called, you can see in the left side, there is a link called read more. When I click on this, you can see once I'm moving the mouse here, something is coming, white block, click for more, right? Click for more, that is coming from the title. When I move the mouse here and wait for some time, you can see in white pop-up, it is showing click for more. That is for title. That is for which one? Title. Now, if I increase this text here, something like this, it will reflect here. See, once the mouse is coming, can see saying, it's called as a title, tooltip. We call technical as a tooltip text. In the title, whatever the text we have written, it is called as a tooltip text. Tool, T-O-O-L, tool, tip text. When I click here, it will go to the details page. It's coming. Now from details page, we should go back. So go back link we have not provided. Only one side link we are given. We are given called read more. It is going back to the next page. Fine. You can see here, click on read. It's going to the next page. Back button I press and I came back. Now we will see this. The type of target we have written here, self, blank, new, self, blank, and new. That we need to see here. So I will try to use here a property called self, target equal to underscore self. Target equal to underscore self. So what is going to do? It is going to help us to open the current page within the same tab. It is a default target. We have not mentioned. Then also it was opening within the same tab. Look at here, definition part. It's saying like Next page will open in same tab. But without that also it was opening in the same tab. We can say target equal to underscore self is the default target. It will not mention anything, by default will be underscore self only. I will run this file and show you. When I click here, next page will open within the same tab. This tab will not get changed. Click here. Next page came within the same tab. Tab is only one and data got changed. URL also got changed. If I go back again, click here again. Within the same tab, the next page appear. Let me go now. I will change here underscore new. Underscore new. Underscore new. You will find it will open a new tab. Now we'll go back. And when I click on this read more, you can see it will open a new tab. When I click here, it open a new tab. You can see now we got the two tabs. First tab is the previous page and this is the second tab. But question is how many times it will open the new tab? Every click or only first click? Look at here. Again, I'll click here, read more. It will go to the second tab. Go on to the second tab. If I click again on read more, it will go to the second tab only. If you click one more time, it will go to the second tab. If I click one more time, it will go to the second tab. Indirectly, you can say our definition also is written here called it open the next page in the new tab, but only at first click. We have clicked 4-5 times. It was supposed to open 4-5 tab, but it has not opened. Why? Because the underscore new work in that way only. It will open the only the new tab in the first click. If you click 20 times, also it will not open the 20 tabs. The tab is open, it will reload. Tab is open, already reload. We can see here. This the tab is already open. If I click on this hyperlink, it will open the second tab. Page will be reload. Again, if I click, second tab will open, page will be reload. So indirectly, it is not opening the multiple tab. Every click, it's not going to open the multiple tab. Only the first click, it's open the new tab. Next, we'll see called blank. How it works for blank. We can go here and we'll change underscore blank. Okay, we change to underscore blank. Let us see how it works. Now we'll click on read more. New tab is open. Again, I'll click one more time. One more tab is open. You can see two tab is open here. I will click one more time. Three tab is open. Means every click on the hyperlink, it will keep opening the new tab. This is called underscore blank. This method is called underscore blank. The target type is underscore blank. Every click, it opens the new tab. So difference is clear. Underscore blank means it opens the new tab on every click. Here you are written clearly. It opens the next page in a new tab on every click. That is called underscore blank. Underscore new says like it open next page in the new tab only at first click. Underscore self, next page will open in the new tab, same tab, underscore self. So this is called as a type of target. Three type of target that we can see under the HTML. We saw it. Two more type of target is there that we'll study under the JavaScript. So what we cover in this example session, we cover how to display the images, what are their properties, how to create the hyperlink, what is their properties, and how many type of targets are there. Three type of target we noted, and for that we made the example. Fine. Thank you. See you in the next session.